morning, Eastwood Primary School. Hope you're having a nice half term. I was sitting here thinking about doing a video for you, maybe doing like a reading video, and I thought to myself, I wanted to do something different, something you could do over the holidays. And then I thought, what could I do? And it's been such a hot few days, and it's only going to get hotter, that I thought maybe make something and maybe make a fan. So today what we're going to do is make a nice colourful fan to keep yourself cool on a hot day like today. And you'll need some simple things to do that. You need some plain paper, if you've got colourful ones that's alright. Some sellotape or some glue, one or the other. You don't need, I've got PVA, but you can have Pritt Stick. Something to spread the glue with. I've got a glue spreader, so I'm just using a teaspoon. But as I said, if you haven't got PVA glue, you can use Pritt Stick. Some colours, some Pepsi pens, a pencil and a ruler. And I'll show you what to do first of all with this piece of paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a piece of paper, and the first thing we do to make our fan is to fold the piece of paper in half. As you can see, I've folded the piece of paper in half, just like so. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some lines. So I'll start at one end of the piece of paper, and I'm going to go down every 2 centimetres. So 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and that's a bit more than 2. That's the middle line. So I'll do it again. Good way of practicing your 2 times tables. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then a bit more. And then I'm going to join the line to line. Line to line. So there we go. Just join up those lines. Now join up the line through the fold in the middle. So I'm going to turn the paper around. I'm going to do the 2s again every 2 centimetres. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. A bit more there, so it's going to be a bit bigger, but that's okay. I'm just creating the lines. And I'll show you what happens in the next part. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to colour this. And whatever colour I do this line, I need to do the same colour for the opposite line. And I'm going to show you that in a super sped up video. Hiya, so I've done all my colouring now. For you, I'm sure you can do a better job than my one. I've done mine to sped it up, but you can take as much time as you want to do mine. As you'll notice, there's 3, because you have to do 3 exactly the same. So that will take you a little bit extra time, and they don't have to be stripy. You can be creative. If you don't want to do stripes, you still need to fold it in half, and you still need to have the patterns being the same, but you might have flowers, or might be some kind of different pattern. You don't have to use pens if you haven't got pens. You could use pencils, you could use paints if you want. Okay, so now we're going to do the next part, which is to make the handles for a fan. For that you'll need 4 pieces of paper. To make one handle you need 2 pieces of paper, to make the other handle you need another 2. I'm just going to show you how to make one fan. So get your two pieces of paper, put them together, and what we're going to do is this, and it's nice and simple. What we're going to do is fold them roughly about a centimetre in. It doesn't have to be exact. So I'm just folding and folding again and folding again, folding again. Just keeping on folding around and round, just pushing down each time until I've got myself quite a strong handle. Now you can do two things here. You can use, and now my piece of paper's come up, you can use some PVA glue, you can use some blue tack, you can use some Pritt Stick, you can use some sellotape. I'm going to show you how to do both. So I'm just going to put my glue down this side to glue it in, just like that. And what I'm going to do, because it's just slightly come undone now, I'm just going to go around one more time. Try not to get glue all over my fingers, which I've done, and just press that down. And that's to keep it in place. I'm going to get two little bits of sellotape and put one at the top, and just pushing it around, merging it around, putting one at the bottom. And then if you want, you can decorate this. So I'm just going to very quickly decorate mine with, oh, what colour shall I have? I think the red. And how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to do some stripes. Just nice and simple. You can do whatever you want with your one. I'm just going to do some stripes. Take as much time as you want. Do some patterns. It could be multicoloured, it could be all one colour, completely down to you, and you can use as much creativity and freedom as you want to make it as good as you want. And this is one that I've done, and you're going to need to make another one exactly the same as that. Now we've got two handles, because I've made the second one, and now what we're going to do is we're going to start constructing the fan. I'm going to show you how to do it with one your piece of paper. You need to do the same with all three. So what we need to do is we fold it in half again. Now if you want, you can do the same pattern on the back, because when you do your fan you'll only see one half, so the back of your fan will be all white unless you want to do the pattern on the back, but I've just done it to save myself some time. So I fold my piece of paper in half, just like so, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start rolling backwards and forwards, roughly about 2 centimetres, pull it back on myself, in, turn it over, keeping on folding quite hard on folds. It's got a nice, accurate and professional edge to it. Keeping on folding and folding until we're left with the last little fold. Okay. So if I fold that down the middle, I should have the beginning of what my fan should look like. And I need to do that with all three pieces of paper. Okay, so now I've got my 3 different pieces of paper. They've all been folded up, and now I need to do is glue them together to make a one continuous fan. And when you fold them in half, you'll notice that they're in 2 pieces really. I need to make them one. So what I want to do is where these 2 bits, I want to put glue along one side here. So I've got some glue here. Just going to spread that glue along, not too much, just along that side. And I'm going to push the 2 parts together, and what I want to do is I'm going to put my hand on them, and really if you were doing this and you want it to last, you want to keep it there, I'd probably put a book on top, big nice heavy book, keep it on there for a little while, good few minutes, just to make sure it's nice and strong, it doesn't come off. And you need to do that with all 3 sections. Okay, so in the heat, that's dried really quickly. So I've now got my 3 fans put together in the middle. Now I need to put the 3 fans together to make one continual fan. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to get one edge, stick it to the edge of another one, then put some glue on this edge and stick it up to the edge of another one. So when it opens up, it makes a fan. I'll show you how to do it on one, and then you can try it yourself. So all I do is I'll get one edge, put myself some glue, get that glue down the edge, push that together once again underneath a nice heavy book, couple of minutes, should be okay. Okay, so now I've put my 3 fans together. Notice that I haven't done them all the way round, because I want to leave the last 2 sections, because that's where I want to fix my handles on. I want to show you how to do one, then you can try them yourself. So I want to fix one handle to one side and one handle to the other side. Now, because the handles are quite strong, this is quite weak, you probably need some glue, and I'll probably say some sellotape as well. So I'm going to get some glue here and just apply my glue along the side, just like we've done with the other ones with the fans, and then push that on. And then what we're going to do is, just so there's a bit of extra stickiness there, I'm just going to push that on, put it underneath something heavy. I've got my sellotape reel here. I'm actually going to get some sellotape, and I'm going to just stick that over the top, because we want there to be that extra hard bond. When you start fanning yourself with this, it's going to be quite, you know, you fan yourself quite hard, don't you, normally, to keep yourself nice and cool. So we do want it to be a fixed well. So I'm going to put a few bits of tape along that side, just to make sure. Now it's a break, put all that work in, and then it just breaks. I'm just going to make sure that's nicely done. That's one section on one side. You will leave yours on for longer to keep it, you know, so it bonds together well, and then you try the other one. And there you go, there's my completed fan. Obviously, if you take a bit more time with yours, leave it to dry a little bit better than I've done with mine, yours should be really good, and you can use it to keep yourself nice and cool on a nice hot summer's day. See you again soon.